Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Saturn. Rules Capricorn, sub-ruler Aquarius, exaltation Libra, detriment Cancer, fall Aries, responsible, good or bad result of action. Jif, sickle of Kronos, the god of time, represents urge for security and safety. Anatomy, the skin, the skeletal system, including the teeth, ligaments, knees, left ear and auditory organs, gallbladder, parathyroid glands, body protein. Keyword, the teacher. General, rules form, discipline, responsibility, organization, ambition, capacity for a career, limitations, sorrows and delays. Saturn rules theories and scientific law, older persons, depth, patience, timing, tradition, conventionality, orthodoxy and productive use of time. Saturn represents the principles of truth, of contraction, of solidification, of wisdom and of aging. Its action is slow and lasting. Saturn is the taskmaster of the horoscope. In earlier times it was known as the Greater Malefic. Where you find Saturn in the horoscope is where you feel least secure and tend to overcompensate. Ninth house, it mean there. It shows more distant places. Religion, philosophy, superconscious mind, long trips, laws, in-laws. Natural sign is Sagittarius. Natural ruler is Jupiter. Keyword is aspiration. Ninth house is a house of life and fire. Quality is Cadent house. General, this house shows your higher mind, superconsciousness. The ninth house indicates your religion, law, science, ideals, higher learning, philosophy, psychology, deep spiritual research, dreams and visions. And this house shows distant tourism, foreigners, foreign transactions, commerce, big business, imports and exports. It shows that the church is a spiritual element, cleric, in-law, grandchildren, intuition, morality and public opinion in general. This house shows the lessons we learn through life. Saturn in the ninth house. Saturn in the ninth house of your natal chart indicates that academic or overseas connections are an important component in your life and possibly in your profession. A hardworking and meditative person, you like to think about serious topics such as religion, science, philosophy, law and metaphysics. This can range from watching documentaries on television to serious graduate or postgraduate studies at a university or college. Serious books fill your shelves, providing hours of reading and research. At some stage in your life, you may decide to travel abroad to further your education or get a job. Depending on other influences in your natal chart, your travels are likely to be frustrated by delays and obstacles. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.